Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I was just playing around with the blend tool and kind of came up with this ribbon that looks like it's folded and blowing in the wind, and I actually think it would probably engrave, because most of my videos are for engraver, but you could do a lot with this. And this was simple, super simple, and pretty fun to play with, and you'll find out how much artistic ability with it. I never hardly use the B-spline tool, but I'm going to use it in this incident. And you just draw a line, then when you click, it'll make you pretty good, smooth, curved lines. And then when you want to quit, you just double click. And then we're going to kind of start another line, and I'm going to just kind of do the same thing, but I'm going to intersect my new line a couple of times, and we'll see the result here in just a second. So all I'm doing is kind of clicking what I want to turn, and I don't know what, and then double click, and you never know what you're going to get. I'm going to go ahead and change these lines to black, and I'm actually going to make them a little bit thicker this time, see what happens. I always draw in hairline, double click on that text box, and let's make them just 1 point. Then just select them both, go up to effects and blend, and I'm just blending it 20 times, which I think is default, and that's what you're going to get. That's a pretty cool effect. It actually, I mean, I didn't do very good right there, but it actually looks like the ribbon or whatever is folded. And you could do more possibly than, let's do 40 and just see what happens. I mean, look at that. As a laser engraver, I actually think that's going to, because this is going to be all black where the fold is. And it's a pretty cool effect. I can see the possibilities with some other things to do with it. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.